Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yellow buns easy method. Mix 500 grams flour, 50 grams sugar, 7 grams yeast, 1 teaspoon salt, and 200 milliliters warm milk into a soft dough. Then knead for 10 minutes until smooth, cover and let rise until doubled in size, punch down gently, and divide into equal pieces for shaping and final rise. Start by flattening each dough piece gently, then fold edges into the center and roll under your palm to form a tight, smooth ball that holds its shape. Rest shaped buns on the tray. Allow a second rise until puffy. Then brush with egg wash and sprinkle optional sesame seeds before baking to achieve that signature yellow, soft, and slightly shiny bun crust. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. Automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a lasting fresh scent, and check the description for the product link and other deals to grab one too. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Place the tray in a preheated oven set to 190 degrees C and bake for 12 to 15 minutes, keeping a close eye for a deep golden yellow hue. Rotate the tray halfway through to ensure even browning. Avoid overbaking to keep buns soft. Remove when the tops are set and sound hollow when tapped, then cool on a rack to maintain a light, airy crumb inside and a tender crust outside.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.